Hey, what's going on, fuckers? It's Christopher Rausch, your No Excuses coach. Back. I haven't done a reel in a long time. Guess what? Because I've been taking a break. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you got to take a break every once in a while. So I had to listen to my body. I've been having back issues again, been in a lot of pain. I just was tired and exhausted and everything else. So I just said, you know what? I got to take a break. But I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on? What are you up to? Are you crushing it? Did you crush your 2022 goals? Are you ready for 2023? If you're not planning right now, you should be, because 2023 is going to be here before you know it. And I know a few of you have said that you were going to do a lot of things in 2022 after the pandemic. I'm going to crush these things. When everything opens back up, I'm going to crush these things. Are you crushing it? Or are you giving yourself excuses? Excuses. You got to be unstoppable, baby. Listen, I'm going to tell you something. I want you to listen. You're going to die one day. And before you die, you're going to think back on your life. And you go, was I kick-ass unstoppable? Did I give myself any excuses? Christopher Rausch, no excuses. NoExcusesCoach.com.